Hello, and welcome to our Krishna Talks Bangla channel. Today's discussion, Life Philosophy from the Treasury of Sanatan Scriptures. Sanatan Scriptures illuminate our life. The Vedas, Puranas, Mahabharata, and Ramayana guide us in moral, spiritual, and daily aspects of life. Today, we will explore the core teachings of these scriptures through heartfelt examples and stories. Teachings from the Vedas. The Vedas teach us that the soul is immortal. Every action has its result, but true happiness comes from performing our duties and upholding righteousness. Example: a farmer works diligently on his land. He does not worry about the fruits of his labor but finds joy in the effort itself. Application: in our life, whether schoolwork or family responsibilities, performing duties with honesty brings real joy. The Vedas teach us strength and steadiness, which make every daily task meaningful. Examples from the Puranas. The Srimad Bhagavat Purana teaches the power of devotion and integrity. Scriptural reference, 6th chapter, verse 30. One who constantly remembers Lord Shri Krishna everywhere, trying to feel him in all actions and in the heart, never truly loses, and Lord Shri Krishna never abandons such a devotee. True devotion and meditation overcome all dangers and illuminate life. Example: Prahlada, even as a child, overcame all dangers because of his devotion and integrity. Lesson: devotion is not just about religious rituals. It is inner strength that supports moral and mental resilience in all situations. Teachings from the Mahabharata. The Mahabharata teaches us about moral dilemmas, decision making, and patience. Example: when Arjuna was conflicted about war, Lord Shri Krishna guided him on the path of righteousness and duty. Key lessons: moral dilemmas cannot be avoided. Decisions should be made with honesty and patience. Daily application: whether at school, in the family, or with friends, upholding honesty in small and big decisions reflects the Mahabharata's teachings. It reminds us never to forget our ethics and duties, as that path leads to true peace and joy. Teachings from the Ramayana. The Ramayana teaches patience, integrity, and devotion. Example: according to the Ramayana, Lord Rama goes into exile while remaining steadfast in duty and righteousness. With the help of Hanuman and others, he overcomes all challenges. Lesson: staying firm on the path of truth and following morality. Example: Lord Rama's patience and Hanuman's devotion teach us that patience, service, and love are essential strengths in life. Applying these teachings in daily life. Scriptures are not just to be read but to be practiced. Express honesty and love in every action. Keep the verses and stories in mind to guide moral decisions. Be sincere in the family. Maintain honesty and cooperation in school. Preserve friendship with love and devotion. Let the love and devotion of Srimati Radharani Lord Shri Krishna inspire sincerity, love, and devotion in the heart. In conclusion, Sanatan scriptures illuminate the heart. Walking on the path of patience, love, devotion, and righteousness makes life beautiful. Daily practice of honesty, love, and duty enriches the joy of the soul. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, if anyone has questions about this discussion, feel free to ask. I will try to answer them according to the scriptures. Stay well, everyone. Hare Krishna.